Hello, my name is Bill, and today's video is a short update for addition to yesterday's video. So when I showed the Koch Snowflake, I only had the ability to do 60 degrees. And after I filmed the video, I realized that it wouldn't be very difficult to change it for other angles. So I had a complex program for doing this, and then I realized I didn't need all the complexity. So it's basically 2 lines of code and then the user interface additions to add this control for setting the angle. So for standard Koch Snowflake, you divide the line into 3 equal segments and add an equilateral triangle here. So this length and this length, they're all the same length. But if you change the angles, the section in the middle changes length, and it works best if you keep these lengths the same. Otherwise, if you keep it divided into 3 equal segments, this peak will get very high. So go up to 90 degrees. So you get some interesting effects if you reverse the vertices. That's 60 degrees. Corporate logo. So now let's look at the code changes. So basically put in the formula for the distance factor and use a variable for the angle. So that's basically all there was to it. And then it just calls the Snowflake class that I have. The same as for all the others. So I'll upload the new edition to GitHub. So that's all for this video.